I am S. Ravikumar, Research Scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekhar Garu, JNTH, Hyderabad. Literature Survey Research Group publications related to cybercrime case study. Today's topic is cyber policing, the multifaceted cybercriminal fake government of Telangana. What is sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Abstract of this paper is cyber policing, FGOT, multiple cyber crimes, analysis of deleterious effects of these cyber crimes, and some steps to remediate them. Releasing white paper, trust, unlike the case in which Swami Parpurnananda was externed, neither the twin cyber criminal organizations, namely FGOT and JNTH were served any probation orders by the police, nor the cyber criminals are convicted. This raised many moot questions. We have devised a declaration for social media usage ethics that can weaken and mitigate the abusive usage of social media by educated elite. Introduction of this paper is the FGOT and JNTH are found to have committed multiple cyber crimes against India, namely State Emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 violation, identity theft, cheating government of Telangana, and seditious government of Telangana crimes, proper handling, and related work and cyber policing, the India abuse fake government of Telangana. In this session, to discuss about the twin cyber criminal organizations, CCOs, larger police complaints against the two CCOs. With respect to the police complaint, the FIR was filed in January 2014 in KPHBPS against the violation of State Emblem of India, Prevention of Improper Use Act 2005. The witnesses produced by the police in the court trial turned as hostile evidence, and the accused A1 was acquitted. A1 and the government of AP through KPHP PS were parties to the judgment. And the another session is cyber policing, the India abuse fake government of Telangana. KPHBPS forwarded RTA application consisting of 48 questions to the JN2H to respond for 42 questions, but JN2H was apathetic. This gives the impression of that JN2H and the Cyberabad police colluded to spare the twin cyber criminal organizations. The second police complaint in January 2018 against the seditious government of Telangana, SGOT, Cyberabad police filed FIR in January 2018 against the violation of 66C IT Act identity theft, but turned Nelson's eye to the reported sedition crime. Who is to take initiatives to defuse the cybercriminal organizations? Why have the Cyberabad police who impetuously, impulsively externed Swami Parpurnananda not similarly uniformly banned, issued provision orders against the twin cybercriminal organizations? How to save and refill the losing national spirit, national consciousness, sense of national solidarity, and national unity among the erring masses who are educated elite. During the prevalence 2011 to 2014 period of the open cyber crimes, JNTH was the only Telangana-wide full-fledged university, unlike Telangana universities. Kakatiya universities, MG University, Shatabahana University, Palameru University, etc. And the unchecked cyber crimes created a successful artificial impact for the advances in the later Telangana movement. How to make the JNTH authorities responsive and responsible to the cyber criminal academic environment and the resultant deleterious impact on the society and the nation. And the other session is the many facets of the 3D government of Telangana. The multidimensional perspectives and the significance of such cybercrimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications. Towards research tracking, the issue of cybercrimes from 360 degrees, life cycle, and remedial perspectives. Endeavored to recover the academic and national losses due to these cybercrimes. 3D dimensions of government of Telangana are well known: fake GOT and GOT of 2011 to 14, GOT of 2nd June 2014 to September 2014, and 3rd GOT of September 2014 to till date. The People Governance Forum is an innovative forum developed in the beginning of the year 2018. The PGF is intended to disseminate national information by a broader disclosure and inculcate national spirit in the educated youth and bring awareness of how to use the internet for positive purposes. Through PGF, we brought to limelight the prevalence of the first government of Telangana, a fake government of Telangana. The fake government of Telangana has had J2H as its functional organization, online, offline. The second GOT is 2 June 2014 to September 2014. It is an offshoot of the first GOT, a fake GOT. It is a full-fledged GOT with the well-known Chief Minister, Mr. K. Chandrasekharaya Rao Garu, Council of Ministers and Governor, Sri ESL Narasimhan. The third GOT is the caretaker GOT, September 2014 to till now. The former ministers became caretaker ministers. The governor is unchanged. And here is a figure 2 snapshot of the People Governance Forum, PGF, with a URL of sites.google.com/site/Shekharaya/a People Governance Forum webpage. So it is a PGF that can be give the awareness to the people who are in the academics or in the society people. And here is another hyperlink, serves as the remedial forum to generate the people's consciousness for a cybercrime-free society. The snapshot of the web page corresponding to the URL is shown in figure 3. This web page contains the hyperlink to the recorded audio file that can be downloaded, containing the presentation on the topic, the many features of the 3D GOT. And here, the web page in SoundCloud website with the URL soundcloud.com also contains the same recorded audio file for the presentation in Telugu language on this topic as shown in the figure 4. And the next session is, what is the sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander? Why was Swami Parapurananda externed though no provision orders against the J2H Chalk under DGOT? Rogue or dark government of Telangana, a J2H academic scam, dark web, deep web, GOT, and RGOT. The Cyberabad police filed FIR 53/2014 in January 2014 against the crimes involving RGOT and J2H Chalk. The evidence produced by the Cyberabad police failed owing to hostile witnesses, and the accused in the charge sheet were able to come out scot-free, unscathed. The police failed not only to convict the cybercriminals involved in the illegal activity of DGOT and J2H Chalk, but also to issue provision orders against the twin elusive cyber criminal organizations DGOT and J2H Chalk. On the contrary, the police externed Swami Parapurananda unbecomingly. But the sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. But the police relented in the case of the twin cyber criminal organizations. And another session is SMI ethics declaration, developing social media user intelligence, and SMI quotations, SMI quotient, how to develop oneself as a SM intelligent user and not as a SM foolish user towards developing the factors or questionnaire for the computing SMIQ. I declare that I will use social media in such a way that I will not get addicted to the internet addiction. I will not get addicted to social media. I will not do X plus delta X in social media usage. That is, I will not add social media addiction, whereas the internet addiction is already there. I will check myself against self-abuse by social media usage, and I will use only for the self-development. I will use social media only for positive personality development. I will use social media only ethically and not at all unethically. I will use social media only for character development. I will use social media for creative organization. I will use social media for the social development and without any abuse of social group or organization. I will use social media for constructive purposes, positive thinking, knowledge sharing, and expertise and positive FIROB. And I will use social media only adaptively and not at all maladaptively. I will use social media with discriminative intelligence. I will use social media only with a pro-social behavior and not at all with anti-social behavior. I will use social media only with a pronational behavior and not at all with anti-social behavior. I will not use social media trivially, wasting time by frivolous pursuits. And conclusion of this paper and future work focused on the many moot questions that arose because of the ineffective cyber policing with respect to our cybercrime case, depicted multifaceted 3D government of Telangana and highlighted that the governments become strong and more powerful if they did release a white paper presenting the measures taken by them to diffuse the effects of these cybercrimes. The police issued externment orders against Swami Paripurnanda. Similar to this, the police should issue provision orders against the FGOT and JNTH JOG, cyber criminal organizations, and see that these cyber criminals are convicted. What is the sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Devised a declaration for social media usage ethics. It keeps the society on the bedrock of values. Hence, abuse, social media usage will tend to be on the wane. As a part of future work, like to focus on the public opinion generation at a large scale and handle these types of cybercrime well in future. Thank you.